Okay, so the goal here is to allow you to bring in that exported terrain so that it can work um, with the framework that I've given you. So I'm going to go up to the menu, which is right here. I was in the wrong application. Assets, import package, custom package, and we can see that we've got the exported terrain. So let's bring that in. It's going to do its thing. Don't touch your face like I just did. So here's all of the pieces, and the thing that's important to note right here, whoops, what just happened right there, is that we have this scene that we had exported. So that's going to be sort of the problem that we have to address when we import things in. So let's see how that works. So I'm going to import everything in. Here it comes. Looking down here at the project window as things are popping in. Imports will take a little while, so make sure you leave yourself time. Okay. So, if I go down into my project window down here, inside of scenes, we're going to see that sample scene is there. If I go to sample scene, load that up, there's the terrain. If I go and look at my main camera, and man, my laptop is chugging as it's trying to record and render and all of that. Here we go. So my scene is still there. That looks pretty good. Now I'm going to jump back out to my main menu. And obviously my main menu does not know about that scene. So, scene 1, come back. We need to get this screen element onto the terrain, and we need to tell this main menu to look at that screen element. So that's what we're going to do. We have to tell this main menu to look at that scene. Sorry, not that screen element. Let's start by linking the main menu scene buttons into place. So I'm going to come over to my canvas, to my main panel, to my panel buttons. I'm going to look at button scene 1. I'll just bring that on screen. Now I'm going to change the text, which isn't going to do anything for the linking, but will at least let people know where they're going. So my button now says scene 1 terrain. And I did that by changing the text field inside of the text component of that. If I go to button scene 1 and scroll down, we'll see that right now on click, I'm going to scene 1. I don't want to go to scene 1. I want to go into the scenes folder, and I want to go to sample scene. So I need to, and a lot of this happened off camera as I was figuring this out, I'll be honest. If I scroll down, you see under on click that it is looking for scene 1, and it's looking for scene 1 at the top level of the assets folder. So I need to tell it in here to go to the scenes folder, scenes. And because Unity works off of Unix file system format, instead of using a backslash, I'm going to use a /. And this thing is currently named sample scene. So I think I'm just going to take that as is. So I'm down here inside of the assets folder. I've single-clicked to highlight. I'm just going to copy and paste that. At least I was going to. Copy, come back to my button, scroll down, and I want this to go to scenes, sample scene. So as you can see, that looks like I probably have that set up a little bit better now. Now I'm not done. I need to come back up to the File menu, go to my Build Settings, and notice that this scene is not in the Build settings, so I need to drag that in, and we'll see that it comes in as scenes/sample scene. And I'm not going to build, I'm just going to close that out and let me test. So here we go. We hit play, scene 1 terrain. Thank goodness that loaded. That's awesome. Now, let me go back to my assets folder. Let me open up scene 1. Scenes have been modified. Yes, I should definitely save those changes. What I need to grab, if I look at my canvas, I need all of this stuff up here, and I also need the event system. So I'm going to just come over here to the hierarchy, select canvas and its children and the event system, edit, copy. I'm going to go over to my scenes folder, go into sample scene, I'm going to click in my hierarchy and paste. And now I have that canvas there. Let me save the sample scene. Come back over to Assets, go to my main menu, hit play. Hit play. Let me change this to something a little bit larger. Okay, scene 1 terrain. Oh look, my lovely terrain, plus I get my return to menu, and it comes back. So for the scenes that you already have, go back to the previous video, follow the procedure for exporting all of the objects in the scene as a package. Go to your Unity version of this UI with the buttons, import that package, and then make the changes like I just showed you. So you don't have to redo a lot of work, hopefully, but this will then allow you to package everything up, publish it, and you'll be able to get back and forth with multiple scenes instead of having multiple projects. Okay, hang in there, everyone. Things are going to be hairy for the next couple of weeks, and we're going to get through this somehow. Talk to you later.